So when it comes to your electrical, and we're doing foundation repair, what we typically do, I haven't seen the reading, so I don't know if this corner is going up or not. But what we typically do is we'll dig this pipe out. This is the main feeder. This is the electrical that's supplying power to your house. The wires inside this pipe are supplying your light, AC, and everything you have in your house. Well, that line goes underground. It should be covered in pipe. It's not always covered in pipe. We'll typically dig down to where it turns and then dig up some of the way where it turns. So that way this can go up if it needs to. You have to watch it, because if this has to go up and you don't dig that, what can end up happening is the wires, there's big wires that come through this pipe and they hook up to your meter. Those wires can actually pop. If you pop those wires, that's actually pretty serious. Definitely got to shut all the power down to the house, and then we're gonna have to get an electrician out here to fix that up. Never happened to us, knock on wood, but it can happen. But we always dig the pipe out, so we try to make it work where we don't have the issue.